Well, you're looking at our gripper demo here from the Metalform show. First gripper we have is a 3-jawed gripper. All these grippers we have here are equipped with some analog feedback products. Here you can see one of our analog sensors positioned to the end of the jaw. As the jaw closes, we're able to get reading on the meter. If something is, when it grabs something, it gives a different reading, obviously. If something's jammed, you see it doesn't work. This is ideal for making sure you pick up the correct part, make sure you're not picking up 2 parts, that type of thing. But this is very simple. Analog proximity sensor right off of the jaw. Here we have another approach. This simple gripper here uses the micro BIL. You can see the read head here and electronics down here. Same theory here. This reads the magnet inside and is able to give you a position based on where the magnet is in the stroke. So here we can watch it. It's at 6.7, drops to 2 when it's getting nearly closed. I put something in it like my finger. It's able to only go to about 6. Just another way of doing it. Here we have a third way of doing it. Here again is our analog proximity sensor. And what we've done here is build an incline. You can see the incline that's built on here. So if we switch the meter over to that, we can see it sits at full scale. We close it, and you can see that the gap changes as this wedge moves in front of the jaws. So as it holds open, you can see the changes. Very simple way of doing the analog. Here is a traditional clamp gripper. Here you can see a magnetic pickup sensor, one of our BMF products in here. Simple detecting of the magnetic piston inside the cylinder. Open, close status up here. Here's our miniature one. This is one of the smallest on the market here. Here you can see we're looking at the tail of the gripper. 2 sensors here for open and for closed. This is what's called a finger gripper. These are used to hold down plastic parts, something like that. Again, same principle here, a magnetic ring on a pneumatic cylinder, and we have open and the close. These grippers we have are tuned specifically more for the metal forming. Here we can see the clamping gripper. As a part enters, it breaks the beam of this L-shaped fork sensor. So we know we have a product in there. We clamp it and then hold it. We know that the part is nested in the clamp. Very good way of detecting if the part is present before the clamping takes place and during. Next one we have is a shovel gripper. In this case, we see the same sensor back here, the self-contained 45-degree sensor. As the metal slides in, it then breaks the beam in the shovel, and then this is used in the progressive die area. Over here is a standard jawed sensor with the self-contained through beam fork sensor with a laser version in there. Obviously, this looks for a part being in position. Then as the clamp closes, it detects and makes sure the part is still in position. This is our gripper demo being shown at the Metalform show. This demo has 3 different functional areas. We have the analog, we have the traditional magnetic ring pickup approach, and then we have the part in jaw technology.